So here we're testing out the Banks exhaust brake with the CBC Smartlock. Get the truck up to 50, and then I'm just gonna. You can definitely hear the noise of the motor. That's without using the brake at all, slowing us down quite a bit. That's pretty neat. So we're gonna turn it off here in just a split second. Now, as soon as I let off the accelerator, instantly started slowing down. Definitely hear the change in the noise of the motor. So, gonna do this real quick, get it back up to 50. And this is with the exhaust brake off. Off, so now we're just coasting. Definitely slows down quite a bit faster with the exhaust brake on. So that was coasting all the way down to 40. Took quite a bit. Do it again with the exhaust brake on. 50. Definitely a lot quicker. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this kind of helped you out. I'm turning back into my driveway. So, anyway, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll do some more testing when I'm hauling a quart of firewood or a ton and a half of hay or something. So, hope you have a good day.